If you are looking for an insanely quick and delicious non-vegetarian appetizer, then look no further. Today, we will be making this super easy and calorie-friendly masala chicken fry. In this video, let's go. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another recipe video. So my wife actually deserves credit for this recipe. She made it at home a couple of days ago and I instantly fell in love with it. And what I like about it even more is its simplicity and how easy it is to make. So I thought I'll make a few tweaks to the recipe, to make it more calorie friendly and share it with you guys. So if you are ready to get this video underway, as always, go ahead, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's jump into my kitchen. Alrighty, in a bowl, take 400 grams of boneless and skinless chicken thighs. What I generally like to do with the chicken is cut off the unnecessary fat on them wherever I can before cutting them into small pieces. Feel free to use chicken breasts or chicken thighs for this recipe. I personally went with chicken thighs, but if you are like, need more protein, then you can go with the chicken breast. So to the 400 grams of chicken thighs, let's add 1 chopped medium onion, 1 to 2 green chilies, we personally added 1, a few broken curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half tablespoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of coriander powder, and finally 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And of course, the mixing and getting your hands dirty part is handed over to me by my wife. So let's go ahead and mix all of that up and set aside for at least 1 to 2 hours. Then in a pan, add half tablespoon of oil or ghee, and once the oil heats up, add about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. As they start to crackle, go in with the marinated chicken. Cover and cook till it's done. And once the chicken is well cooked, squeeze about half a lime and top it off with some coriander leaves. And there you have it, your calorie-friendly, insanely tasty, and like I said, super easy masala chicken fry. Moving on to the calories and the macros. So if you divide this entire recipe into 3 servings, then each serving is about 200 calories, of which 4 grams are carbs, 8 grams are fat, and 27 grams are protein. And if you make the same recipe using chicken breasts and you divide it into 3 servings, then each serving is about 175 calories, of which 4 grams are carbs, 4 grams are fat, and 30 grams are protein. Give this recipe a try, guys. I promise you, you can eat foods like this and still achieve your fitness goals. When I work with clients, I always give them meals with such recipes, and if they can see results, so can you. Dieting isn't just about eating salads or chicken broccoli rice all day, guys. You can eat tasty meals, and you should be eating tasty meals that you love. That's the only way you can make this a lifestyle change. Again, with these recipe videos, I am not here to show you that I'm a good cook. I am nowhere close to one. I am no chef. For me, at the end of the day, the food should be number 1, calorie friendly, and number 2, tasty. And if it is, I come here and share it with you guys. So I encourage you to be smart about your food choices and give a few of these recipes a try. You never know, it might be your next best alternative. So anyway, guys, with that, I come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.